If you use tools like Photoshop Premium Pro or Illustrator, this video is for you. I will explain how to get 4-month free trial of Creative Cloud Pro. Everything will be clear, honest and easy to understand. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Link in this video description and in a first comment also. So don't worry about the link. After simply go to this link. Here you can see I'm here, right? Type my email address, then click on this continue. Here you can see Creative Cloud Pro. And it redirect to my account which is already created on this Gmail address, so that's why it's redirect to my account. Here you can see card detail and date of birth, first name. I had already created an account, so I will not create an account. Simply type here your card detail and date of birth and first name, last name, zip code, and simply select your country. Then click on this agree and subscribe button. It will redirect you to the final page. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐚 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.